Use the settings below to create the perfect social share image, title, and description that is displayed when this post/page link is shared on Facebook, LinkedIn, Discord, and X, former Twitter. First, you can enhance your post's visual appeal by uploading a new image. Simply click on Preview Image to initiate the process. Create Image button will open Pablo, a free online social media image creation tool. Upload and edit your own image or choose from over 600,000 royalty-free images. Once created, download your image to your computer and then use the Upload Image button to add it. Upload your share image here. 1024 by 512 pixels size is recommended. If it is smaller, it will show as a small thumbnail on the left with title and description to the right, or if it is larger, it will be cropped. Add your custom title or leave this empty, and the post title will be used. Leave this empty and the post extract will be used as the description. Use the debugger tools to set or change the share image and/or details.